Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Bronco versus the Amarok V6. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these powerful trucks stand out. From their rugged capabilities to their everyday practicality, we'll explore all the essential aspects. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle aligns with your adventures and lifestyle. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Ford Bronco excels with its dynamic engine choices, perfect for tackling challenging terrain. The Amarok V6, on the other hand, impresses with its potent 3.0-liter turbodiesel, offering significant torque for heavy loads. Both trucks are engineered for durability and feature advanced four-wheel drive, ensuring confidence whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path. Consider your primary use case.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And on another note, after a long day of driving, who wants to worry about messy meals? Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Inside, the Bronco presents a functional and stylish cabin, designed for easy cleaning after a muddy trail. The Amarok V6 offers a more car-like interior, emphasizing comfort and higher-end finishes. Both vehicles integrate cutting-edge technology, including large touchscreens and comprehensive safety features, ensuring a connected and secure driving experience. Your preference for ruggedness versus refinement will guide your choice here. Regarding value and practicality, the Ford Bronco generally offers a more accessible entry price, making it an attractive option for many. The Amarok V6, while often costing more, provides a premium feel and strong towing capacity. Think about your budget, fuel consumption needs, and how much cargo space you require. Both are capable, but their overall cost of ownership and daily utility can differ significantly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.